Hi, this is Sunil. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we are discussing about one particular swing trading stock I got. That is AU Small Finance Bank here. So this stock this is 1 hour time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame. We can see clear picture. So here is daily time frame. So we can draw a lines or patterns in daily time frame, in major time frame. So this is daily time frame. Small finance bank actually. So this stock particularly from 25th July 2023 to current or previous day, 15th December, uh, moving in this particular stock from 24th July 2023 and up the current date was 15th December 2023. In this date range, the stock was moved in some trading range price action. So we can see any major moves. We cannot see any major moves. So I I got one pattern over here from this two, from first candle to this candle was, this is the trend line, and we can increase the size of the line. And second one is from here to here is another line. So it is looking like expanding triangle. Guys who don't know what is expanding triangle, quickly I will show them. So this is expanding triangle. 1, 2, 3. You can see first come gradually it is expanding the price. First low this is here, and second low is below this low, and third low is below this low, and first high is below this high, and second high above this high. So this is the expanding triangle. This is expanding over the days going on. So this is moves upward direction. Comes price moved from here to here, then the here is trading range, then moved upward direction from here, this pattern, after this pattern. This is the expanding triangle. Then we can go to our chart here. We have seen how expanding triangle works. So same pattern formed over here. So we can mention that expanding triangle. So we can increase the size of the name. So one, this low below this low, this low below this low, and this low below this low, and I have second criteria upside, this high below this high, and this high below this high, and this high below this high. So over the period range was expanding. So that's how we called it as expanding triangle. So here is the breakout needs to happen to the expanding triangle. After this break of this, how to enter this stock, where do I place my stop loss, and where to keep my target. It needs to breakout happen this candle. How much target we can expect is usually expanding triangles gives double the move. So here to here is, this is the move. So up to here we can, or 1:2 risk reward. Wait for the breakout. Firstly, where to enter is wait for the breakout happen this candle, above this candle. After this candle, wait for one bull candle fully bull candle like this candle. Wait for see after seeing this candle like this bull bar candle like this bar, then enter into the stock and place a stop loss below this candle. It is our stop loss. It is our stop loss, and aim for at least 1:2 risk reward. Suppose we entered here over here, and our stop loss here, and our target is near to our forecasted line. So here is our target. Here is our target. Here is our stop loss. Here is our buy entry. So wait for the breakout, and wait for the all the circumstances. Will look for a perfect candle and enter into the stock, place a stop loss, then ride up to the up until trend ends. That is the main goal of trading. So this is guys, this is our stock guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video. Thank you.